What is up, guys? It's here George. I'm back with another video with the $1,000 PC build. This PC build is probably a really good build for a reasonable price of $1,000. I recommend this for the new gamers that wish to start a successful gaming like life. Um, let's get started with this build. So what we got here is Core i5 7600 7600K 3.8 gigahertz that can overclock to 4.2 gigahertz. It's a 4 cores CPU that can do a really good job while gaming, and it's also the fastest Core i5 CPU. For the cooler, we got a Corsair H100 240mm cooler that can easily cool the CPU and can take care of heat in the case. For the motherboard, this time we're going to go with an MSI Z170 Crate Gaming motherboard. So because we're going with MSI video card, I chose this MSI motherboard so that can be compatible with each other. It is a really good motherboard that is good for gaming and can do a really good job. For the memory, we got a Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigs DDR4 3000 memory. It is a really good and fast memory, and with a 16 gigabytes of memory, you can go do a really good gaming, but not really good multitasking, but you can game well with this type of memory. For the storage, we got a Seagate Barracuda 2 terabytes 7200 RPM, so it is pretty good, but not that fast though, because it is an HDD, and if you got HDD and if you got a little bit more money, you can get a 250 gigs of SSD for the system. But if you only got the $1,000, this would be a really good choice to go with. For the video card, we got a 6 gigs 1060 MSI GeForce GTX. It is one for me like the best looking video card. It's not only for the look, but it can do a really good job. It's a 6 gigs gaming video card that 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 can work on 1.5 gigahertz of speed. It's good for basic gaming, not really good for ultra high settings because it can't work really well with it, but it can do pretty good stuff with medium settings gaming. For the case, we're going to go with Corsair 270R ATX. I like the theme of this case. It's kind of like just matte black all of it. It got also a good amount of empty space, and like it's a big space for the system we're building. It got a really good space for it, and for a really reasonable price. For the power supply, we're gonna go with an EVGA 500 watts power supply. This can probably power up our whole set really well, although it's only 330 watts, but 500 watts is really good for this. I recommend this set because it can do a really good job for the basic gaming and for new gamers. All of that can cost about $1,030. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please guys, never forget to like my videos and share it and comment what you need for me to build for you in future. And if you want me to build the most expensive gaming PC that can be built. I'll do it if I got 10 likes on each of my 3 videos till now. I wish you all a good day and thanks for watching. Peace.